Okay, today we're going to use the skills that we learned yesterday to problem solve. So Sally has a photo, which is 20 centimeters tall and 32 centimeters wide. She wants to put a frame around the photo, which is the same width all around. What is an expression for the area of the framed photo? So for area, we know we need the length times the width. Okay, so let's start with some information that we do know. We do know the dimensions of the photo. So I'm going to do that in red. I'm going to draw a diagram of the photo in red. Here it is. And we know that it's 20 centimeters tall. So there's our 20. And we know that it is 32 centimeters wide. So there's our 32. We also know that she wants to put a frame around the photo. So here's a diagram with the frame. And it's the same width all around. So we need to find area of the entire thing. We need some information that we do not yet have, right? We need this length and we need this width. Okay, but how do we find the length and the width when we don't know what the dimension of the frame is, right? Because we need to include the frame in this. Well, since we don't know the width of the frame, we're going to represent it with something. What can we represent the width with? The width with. We're going to represent it with a variable. So we're going to say let x equal the width, right? So that means that the length of the entire thing, that pink piece, is simply going to be 32 plus the width of this frame twice. So we're going to get x plus 32, which is simply 2x plus 32. And we're going to repeat this with the width. So now we got these two pieces here. I guess I should do it on the other side. We got x and we got x. We add that up, x plus 20, which is just 2x plus 20. And now that we know the length and the width, we can find the area. So the area equals the length, which is 2x plus 32, times the width, which is 2x plus 20. Okay, so now take a moment and multiply these two binomials using one of the methods you learned yesterday and answer the question. Okay, so let's multiply it out. We got 2x times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared. 2x times 20. 2 times 20 is 40. Keep the x. 32 times 2x. 32 times 2 is 64. Keep the x. And 32 times 20, we get 640. Combine these like terms, and you got area equals 4x squared plus 104x plus 640. Okay, that is the area, including the frame. If you only wanted the area of the frame, you would have to do the area, the total area, minus the area of the picture. And how can we find the area of the picture? We multiply the length and width of just the photo, which we know up here, we just do 20 times 32, which is simply 640. And when we do 4x squared plus 104x plus 640 minus 640, these two are going to cancel out, and we're going to be simply left with 4x squared plus 104x.